Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. There is not much more to add to the last video other than updating here possibly the count. I had another idea. In the end, it all doesn't help until we finally see a breakout, but also these videos are always designed to provide a little bit of education in how these waves can be labeled. So I thought I'll give it a go to give you an alternative idea how here this wave 4, in which we probably currently are, could be labeled. At the moment, again, unchanged view, right? I think we are still gonna move higher. I think we're currently in this green wave 4, when we should still see a fifth wave. Targets for the fifth wave, that can move a bit, by the way, depending on how low we eventually go in this wave 4 and where the end point of the wave 4 is. But that's between 1740 and 1900. Again, that can shift a little bit, but it doesn't make sense to move that from video to video, because until I know that we have a clear finish point for the wave 4, it doesn't make sense to move that in every video and give you different numbers. But this is sort of a range in which I could imagine that the fifth wave will go to. Bear in mind, we have the first resistance, really strong resistance probably, here at around 1673. So that's probably, of all the targets, probably the first one, because it could be that we will not exceed above this B wave high. So that's still the view here, that we at least will see one more high in this rally, and then we will get a decision moment. Do we come down and retest here the $1,000 level? Or do we make actually here a higher low? That would be a sign that we are in a wave 4 of higher degree. We'll make another high in a wave 5 of a higher degree. This will finish off a larger wave 1, would be the first strong sign that the bear market low was already in. And then we can look at an ABC for a wave 2 and basically go long there. Because then that's the pullback trade after the large wave 1. But we're not there yet. Yeah? So in this video I want to focus on the short term, because not too much has happened in the greater context. Actually nothing. Actually nothing. But yeah, what do we look at here in the lower level wave count? So I think I told you in the previous video, this could very well just be here an A wave, a B wave, and we could be in the C wave already. Now, how this is developing, I don't believe that anymore. I analyze, but it doesn't look like it anymore, because I imagined this could be maybe of the C wave a small 1, 2, 3, you know. But then what is this, right? So it goes a bit too high, it doesn't really work out anymore. The idea I had was that this could be a WXY, and then the Y wave consists of 3 waves, A, B, and then C. That's possible, yeah. That's a structure, and we have a larger WXY. So it could be that. Or this could just become a larger triangle. So we talked about triangles before. It looked already finished here somewhere, but obviously failed with a breakout. So, however, a larger triangle could be A wave, B wave, probably then here the C. Now we could be moving up in a D wave and then come down in another E and then move up from there. That's technically absolutely possible. In this structure, the D wave target, just to get sort of an idea, target for the D wave would be the 1571 level. That's the 61.8% extension of the B wave. So 1571. That's the next target, short term, if this is a triangle. So if we react to that, it looks like then we have a triangle. At least it would be an indication, right? But you can see we are working in a range here. Breakout above this B wave high would be a confirmation that we go up, or at least a strong indication. That's at 1584. And if we break below the trend line here, that descending trend line, by the way, I'm going to take that one out. If we break below this descending trend line of this larger channel here, and that's at around 15, 16 now, then we're probably going to go into the larger box. The larger box is actually the support generally for the wave 4, based on Fib levels, how low a wave 4 can go. Key support here is 1390, and the first Fib level is sitting at 1500. Getting into that area would be for a wave 4 the most likely outcome, but if we get a triangle, we might not go into that area. Key is, as long as we're holding this area, we can still with a high probability get that fifth wave. Because if we drop below it, the whole scenario is probably over. Yeah, because wave 4 normally doesn't go below the 50% retracement, which is at 1390. But yeah, that's my update about Ethereum. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.